Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share. It is this cute little mini envelope tag flip that is for some happy mail going out for a swap on the Trash to Treasures Facebook group. So I wanted to show you what I made. This was inspired by CraftingWithLiller here on YouTube. She also is on Instagram, so I will put her links down below. But she has a tutorial on how to make this. It's really super simple. You just basically make little mini envelopes and then you decorate them and fill them with goodies and attach them with a binder ring. So I used the Ooh La La paper pad from Michaels, and each envelope I did a different pattern of the paper, and then I decorated each one with some of the ephemera that came with the pad and then with other things that I had in my stash. So I will start with this first little envelope here. I used this print from the paper pad. I added a pink doily, a couple pieces from the ephemera cutouts, and then this flower here, some little sparkly washi tape down there, and then for every envelope I cut out these gold hole reinforcers. And then the back is just simple. I wrapped the doily around, and then inside the pocket, I'll pull it apart. I think it'll be easier to show you. Here, whoops. And I messed it up. I made some little bows from some of the paper. So that's what's in that pocket or envelope. And then on this next one, I used the C'est La Vie cut apart, and then this little cut apart here with the heart, layered it up on top of this green polka dot paper and the Eiffel Tower paper there, and tied it with some ribbon. And then on the inside of this one, I put some little tags that I made, and there's a little cut apart in there too as well. But I made those three, all pretty similar. And then the next envelope is this one here. I used some crepe paper and did a little skirt down there with the ribbon on top, and added this cut apart with the little glasses cut apart, and added some rhinestones there. And then on the inside, I made a couple mason jar embellishments. And then the next one is like this, a similar little crepe paper border with this little tag, I believe was from the Target Dollar Spot. I added the Eiffel Tower cutout from the paper and then some little flowers there. And then in this one, right now I just have these little Eiffel Tower die cuts that I used my Cricut and cut out. And I can put a link for this file. It was actually just an image that I found, and then I brought it into Cricut Design Space, so I will put the link for that. But I used the gold poster board that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So it's thicker, and it cut, even though it's like a little less than 3 inches tall. So it's super intricate, but it worked great. And then the next one is this one. I layered up some of the border paper here. This one has like little lipsticks and lips and everything on it, and the base paper has lips, so I thought that was cute. And then there was this little piece of the flower border and some ribbon, and then I put this cut apart of the sunglasses with some rhinestones in the corners, and add this little fan of crepe paper up there, and then the fabulous across there. And then on this one, I just cut apart several pieces of the collection to stick in there, some journaling cards. And then the last one is here, and I used the polka dot paper. I put a pink doily behind it, and then I layered it with another journaling card from the collection, and there's some glue here. There we go. Sorry about that. And then I added another little rosette that I cut out from the paper, and then this cut apart here that says "You're a whole lot of love." And then I added rhinestones here, and then another paper bow that I was actually gifted. And then on the inside of this one, I added some die cuts that I did on my Big Shot. They're just some little doily, I think it was a Spellbinders die. I just used some paper and cut out, or the paper from the paper collection, and cut out those pieces so she can use those on a future project. So I just think it's super cute way to send some happy mail to a crafty friend, or if you have someone you want to give it to that isn't crafty, you can fill it with like tea or a gift card. So if you like this video, go ahead and check out Crafting with Liller here on YouTube, and for the tutorial on how to make it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.